Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find either accounts and backup or Google. Totally up to you, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it and now tap on manage accounts at the top. Let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and confirm everything with your screen lock. Here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it. So let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can tap on specific options, read it, and then tap on I agree. Here, backup details, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. If you're sure, tap on OK. You have to confirm it with your screen lock. And as you can see, the account will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.